Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is all about the question if you should use a case for your iPhone or not. Because if we just think about it, the iPhone designer took a majority of his time thinking about how your iPhone should look like. If we think about the iconic iPhone 4, it looks gorgeous until the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All those iPhones are like pieces of jewelry that I'm proud of every time I take it off my pocket and using it, whether it's home or in a public area, I'm always looking to my iPhone and being proud about it. But the thing is, it bugs me every time I just wrap it up in a iPhone case, in a phone case. But I need to do that because I'm very cautious about how my devices should look like. I don't want them to end up with scratches and dents, and therefore I just buy an iPhone case for them. Most of the time it needs to be a slim iPhone case that looks nice. It's a bonus if it has these sides too, because once your iPhone falls off, those sides will protect your iPhone. That's the idea. But overall, the case should look nice because, hey, you have a beautiful piece of jewelry and you need to take care of it. And you want at the same time that it looks good. But what if I tell you that in some cases, these cases will damage your iPhone rather than protecting it? Let me show you what I mean. In this case, I'm having the iPhone 7 in my hand, and I discovered this horrible thing that this case did to my iPhone. The color of this rubber case gave up on this iPhone 7, which originally was, I don't know, like jet black. I'm not sure if it was black or jet black, but hey, now it's just this, I don't know what to call it, but it's gradient color, actually multiple color merging into each other, and gave it this horrible look with all those marks, and it doesn't look good. If you want to sell your iPhone to someone else, I bet the value of this iPhone dropped immediately just by give it this look. I know for sure someone else will just buy another case and put it on it, and that this back will not be visible anymore. But if I will be the owner of this iPhone, it will bug me every time I look to this back, just because I thought that this case will protect my iPhone, but instead it just ruined my iPhone entirely. And that's something I'm actually sad about, just to be honest. This is the result of like using an iPhone case, even though you want to use this phone without the case, but hey, you just thought you'll be the irresponsible owner of this iPhone and bought a case for it, and eventually you'll end up with this color. So if you can take one thing out of this video, don't buy these cheap cases. Go for a good case. Most of the time you can find them on the internet. I bet Unbox Therapy has good slim cases. I like those cases. Furthermore, Apple brings a lot of gorgeous cases. They think about the design of the iPhone and they implement that design idea in that case. And I do love that about Apple. So if you just bought a piece of device, a piece of technology that you put a lot of money on, don't go and just buy any case out of the internet. Just research it very good before you buy it, and after you bought it, think about this video. Think about the horrible thing that could happen if you use these kinds of cases to your iPhone. There might be some chance that those rubber cases will give off their color on your iPhone, and after 2 years of use, you'll discover that your case was all this time eating up the back of your iPhone, which is, I'll be very sad if that happened to my iPhone. So I thought about making a short video telling you guys about, or warning you guys that you should think twice before buying a cheap case. Don't go out there and just buy any case for your beautiful piece of jewelry, which is your iPhone or any device you have. It can be your Samsung or I don't know, your Google Pixel or any phone you have, because you worked very hard for your phone and you want to protect it. So do it with a good case and not with this cheap case. So I hope you got something out of this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.